If you need a go-to for gift giving or just a little something for yourself, look no further than the Studio 5 Love List. Each week we add a new favorite to the list to share our loves with all of you. And this week we are thinking towards summer with the perfect beach bag. Whether you're traveling or just hitting the neighborhood pool, this bag holds everything you need while packing down to next to nothing when it's empty. So it's a mesh tote, making it light and easy to clean, and it comes in more than a dozen colors, and it's less than 15 bucks. It's a summertime staple, and your towels, sunscreen, glasses, and goggles will look great in it. We thought you should know. We love it. So you can find it on Amazon and get set for summer.